Hey kids! Today, we're going to make a fun, squishy Sheriff Tiger toy. First, fold a white piece of paper in half and use a black marker to draw an outline of Sheriff Tiger. Then, color it in with your colored pencils. Next, stick a layer of clear tape on top of the drawing. Cut it out along the edges. And tape the sides together. Remember to leave a little opening. Fill it with cotton and tape the gap shut. Now, let's draw some gear for Sheriff Tiger. Put tape on the front and back and carefully cut them out with scissors. Finally, stick some double-sided tape on the back of the gear and stick them onto the Sheriff Tiger sticker. Wow! Your squishy Sheriff Tiger toy is ready. Let's all help Sheriff Tiger by putting on his gear and helping him protect the city. Kids, I'm your good friend Dodo. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Don't miss it!